Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to send Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Open the Binance app and log in. Tap the Wallet section at the bottom right. Make sure your account is registered and verified. If you don't have a Binance account, claim up to $100 in trading fee rebates when you sign up and verify your account. In your wallet, go to Spot or Funding, depending on where your Solana is stored. Tap Withdraw, then use the search icon to find Solana, SOL. Select Send via Crypto Network. Choose the Solana network, not the BNB Smart Chain. The minimum withdrawal amount is 0.02 SOL. Now open your Phantom Wallet. Tap Receive, then copy your Solana address or use the QR code option. Go back to Binance, paste the address, enter the amount, and tap Withdraw. After a short wait, your Solana will appear in your Phantom Wallet. That's it. Like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.